In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tooltips in draw.io. First, head to the draw.io website and sign in. When you arrive, you'll be on your main dashboard. I'm going to assume you already have a diagram set up with the shapes and connectors you need, so we can focus directly on editing tooltips for your arrows. To begin, click the specific arrow or connector that you want to edit. Selecting it is important because the options we need only appear when a connector is active. Once it's selected, look to the panel on the right side of the screen. You should see the tabs labeled Style, Text, and Arrange. We'll work from the Style tab for this task. Within the Style tab, locate the section that shows the connection and waypoints icons. Nearby, you'll find the area for tooltips. This is where you can change what's displayed for your connector's tooltip. Think of this as the small bit of information associated with the connector that helps clarify meaning or context. You can personalize the tooltip content here. Click the first box to make changes, or use the small arrow next to it to open a list of available options, depending on what your diagram offers. This first box corresponds to what the instructions refer to as the left side of the tooltip. Right next to it, you'll see another field that controls the right side. That way, you can keep both ends of your connector consistent or use them to convey different details if needed. When you want to adjust the right side, click the small arrow down icon next to that second field and choose the setting you want. Your choice is applied to the right part of the tooltip for the selected connector. If you already set the left side, this helps you match or contrast both ends without leaving the style panel. If you need to make the same kind of change on another connector, simply select the next arrow on your canvas and repeat the same process. Go to the Style tab, find the section next to Connection and Waypoints, and edit the left and right tooltip fields using the boxes or their drop-down arrows. Repeating this keeps your diagram consistent and saves time once you get into a rhythm, and that's all there is to it. Try it now on a few connectors in your diagram to see how the tooltips help your audience quickly understand what each connection represents. Congratulations, you've just learned how to edit tooltips in draw.io.